Hello, I'm Nico Mangas, Practice Leader for Quality Assurance at RCG Global Services. At RCG, we have remodeled our quality engineering methodology to fit in the age of digital transformation, if you will, with rapid software development. So that would cover your Agile, your DevOps, your CI/CD. We have seen many organizations just struggle with this. They can't seem to define and fit their quality function in this new environment. And we would be happy to help you to accomplish this with what we call the modern quality engineering approach. So, what makes up modern quality engineering? We have four fundamental principles that need to be in place and implemented for quality to succeed in this new environment. Firstly, modern quality engineering is based on the philosophy of just enough quality. What this means is that at the end of the day, your quality function should be able to provide a tangible cost benefit. And to find that out, you actually need to determine your cost of quality. That is the amount of resources, time, and whatever investment you put in terms of your process and in terms of your software testing, and compare that with what are the outcomes and what would be the potential impacts of gaps in your quality. So the formula and the balance actually is different for every industry and every organization, but it is important to measure so you can make adjustments to it, because what we've seen is that many organizations have teams where there is little testing or too overprocessed and over testing for one particular application, suggesting that there is no balance between the cost relative to its benefit. Second, modern quality engineering needs ubiquitous quality. And you've probably heard of the old saying that quality is everyone's responsibility. And sure, yes, but we need to be specific about what that essentially means. So, how we've applied that thinking is that we've looked at where quality needs to exist, and it actually needs to be everywhere, embedded in the way you release and develop and you monitor applications, but also see it from the perspective of starting quality early in the phase, which is your shift left, and then adding a shift right approach, which is making sure that you look at what's going on in your production, how your customers are using your applications in production, getting those insights, learning from it, and then using it to improve your testing in future development cycles. So in that way, your quality comes full circle. Third, modern quality engineering focuses on the digital user experience. Now more than ever, the digital experience of your customers is probably one of, if not the most important touch point that you're going to have with your customers. So at RCG, we focus on bringing in services to enhance those interactions with your users and your digital platforms, whether it's web or mobile or even embedded software or even your Internet of Things or wearables, right? Across those different platforms, you interact with your customers, you interface with your customers, and you need to have and bring quality in those interactions as well. Lastly, while modern quality engineering is based out of those first three principles, it is virtually impossible to meet those needs without a sustainable approach to advanced automation. So we have actually evolved automation and testing to not only cover the automation of tests, but also to automate the dependencies to testing, as well as the cognitive tasks, analysis, and the decision making related to testing with a RPA and AI. And that's what we call testing HyperAutomation. So these four together make up the modern quality engineering strategy, and we would love to talk to you more about how to apply it in your own organization. So whether it's starting with quality health checks, quality strategy roadmaps, DevOps and testing readiness, or even helping with discrete testing capabilities, such as enhancing your automation capability with RPA and AI, or enhancing your digital experience with accessibility testing, A/B testing, or performance testing. We are here to help. Until then, happy testing.